Hello and welcome. Time for another one of the buy low and sell high games. And I do so using the program Small Basic. If you want to participate in playing this game, you will need this program. You can download it. Just search Small Basic, download it, and when you get this program, you're going to want to go to Import and put a program ID. This says TVR, television radio, and the numbers 232. You get this exact code, thus be able to play the game. So this code will come up, and there's going to be an auto situation for auto move, which is rows 823, 824. So I got it set at 25%. So you could increase or decrease it. I know I probably should set up where I could ask you in advance, and maybe I would at one time. But for me, this is easy enough. So I'm going to use that as the auto move, just to make the game play a lot faster. So I'm waiting for moves of at least 25% from the last trade. And that's how I'm playing this game. So I'm going to just pause this to set this up for my liking. And there we have it. Now when you open this up, you can go to properties on here. You can adjust your fonts as need be. They're probably going to be small, so I got mine at a 28. And I don't even play, there's a lot of other stuff you could do to make it look better than this maybe. But let's move on. So we're going to start off the ratio when Theta existed at start was 6,682 to 1. So you would need this many Theta to buy 1 Bitcoin Cash. So we'll start off with the 10 so we'll start off with 10 Bitcoin Cash and 10 times this number. And in this, you have buy Bitcoin Cash, which means you'd be buying it for that as Theta. You'd be selling it for that, of course, of the other. And then the buy Theta and sell Theta. And go to price, which means you can pick a low and high number. And it'll take you right to that next situation. And 6, the auto, which is set at 25%, which I'm going to do. So day one, I haven't done this yet. I just downloaded the data just recently. It took 33 days, 34, for the first one, where the price action went higher. So that's a spot where you'd be selling some Bitcoin Cash. So I'm going to do this. If I'm playing a 25% game, I want to do more than that 25% number and hope for the best and that I don't run out. And that's going to be a problem. We're probably going to see that towards situations when things go straight up and down. Like lately, Theta having that straight up move. So there we have it there. So next we can do this, and the ratio goes up for a Theta gain of 29.34%. So one thing I can do is I can say, okay, I don't want to sell too much Theta. If you did that, maybe like, okay, I want to buy Bitcoin Cash, but I just want to buy like maybe a quarter more than I had before. So whichever strategies you can work with. And now I had 64,000 Theta before, so I got like 7,000 more Theta that I would have started with. So we'll go to the next move, which is day 56, another Theta gain. So we'll sell some Theta. Maybe we'll sell about a third of it would be like 25,000. So let's just put in, say, 24,500. And let's do it again. And it's a huge gain now, 66%. So I want to make a huge sale. So we would go to sell Theta and maybe sell like 18,500. That's a large number of what I own, and still not even half, but I would get 5.3 adding to a 14.5. That's close to 20. And that's almost double what I started with on the number. I mean, I could make a big trade with the 18.4% on the next day after that. Of course, I'm looking for 25. So this is, we'll see. You get a little bit of a better gain, or we're going to lose out. If the number goes lower, I suppose I'm going to lose out. And it doesn't. I get a bit better of the gain. So therefore, I can maybe sell, I don't want to sell too many maybe, but sell about 5, 6 Bitcoin Cash, so maybe 5.5, that's a big number, actually. I don't want to sell that many. Maybe sell 4. So now I get 17. So here I'm in a situation where I got 15 Bitcoin Cash. Let's see. Let's go now. A big game for Bitcoin Cash. So let's go maybe 4 again in the area, like 4-point quarter. I get 23,000. We're on day 91. So we'll move to day 99 where Theta gets a gain, 69,000 ownership. Maybe I'll go 18,000, 17,000 maybe. And I'm going to about 4 Bitcoin Cash. Day 113, Bitcoin Cash with the gain. Maybe sell about 4 there. Get about 20,000 Theta. And then Bitcoin Cash with another gain. Maybe sell about another 2. Maybe bring that number back to like an even 9 and get 18,000, which will be very close to the 100 number, starting with 60. So at this stage, I'd be down 1 Bitcoin Cash, but up about near 30,000 or 40 something percent Theta. And now we have a Theta gain, and that's a big gain at 40% almost. So therefore, maybe go about 27,000. Get 5.5. So now I'm in a situation where I pretty much have the starting Theta, and I got like 4.5 extra BCH. And now BCH gain, so of the extra gain that I got, maybe I want to get rid of, say, maybe 3, close to 4 of them. And then when you do this, you can just try different strategies, try different spots where you want to go really aggressive, really light, where you want to just not sell, or just different things, and just finding different strategies to be a winner. And this also gives you experience in this game too, which I think is a very, very large asset to have. So a Theta gain of 27% with an ownership of 88,000. You could easily maybe do like maybe 17. Actually, let's go to sell it. Oops, I didn't. There we go. I didn't push the right button. So 8, 16, 20,500 maybe. And now a Bitcoin Cash. I can just say, well, I bought 20,000 or I sold 20,500. I could maybe buy like say 21,500, and it's only going to cost me 3.5. So another way of doing it that way. Theta gains almost 40%, so I can maybe do over 20 again, even a good high 20, like 27.5 or something, and get 6 of them. Theta gains again, and okay, so I'm starting to have a little bit less. I sold 27 last time, now I got 60. Maybe if I go 20, I'm going to be down to 40, but yeah, let's take it with that chance. Maybe go somewhere close to it. 6 Bitcoin Cash added. And now a huge gain of 52%. Let's go like maybe a 16, 17,000. We're going to be getting great returns now. So let's go 17,000. Let's even go 15,000. Don't want to leave something. I mean, this way I'll leave 26 back. Getting about 7. Okay. So now, of course, we gained 7 Bitcoin Cash. So if I'm to sell some Bitcoin Cash, I gained 7 last time, got 30. Maybe I want to sell about 6 of the 7. I get 16,000. That's a real help to the Theta, which got down to 26. Because we started with 60, we're down about 20, but we also got more than double the Bitcoin Cash though. So let's go to auto, and we get a Theta gain. So that's maybe barely go over 10 now, but yeah, if you keep selling a lot, you just have to scroll down to the point, so you never sell out until the point where you maybe want to take an aggressive all-in sale at some point. Now a huge gain by Bitcoin Cash here, going up 72%, up to 38.74. So maybe you want